Hey guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, Good Morning Limited, London will have to make a payment of rupees in dollars 3,64,897 in 6 months time. It is currently 1st October. The company is considering the various choices it has in order to hedge its transaction exposure. Spot rate would be 1.5617/1.5773 and 6 months forward contract it would be 1.5455 and 1.5609, and the borrowing and lending rate has been given. So the borrowing rate for US and UK. Borrowing rate for US and UK would be 6%, 7%, and lending rate would be 4.5 and 5.6%. And the foreign currency option prices. This 1 unit of GBP 12,500. It would be excise price 1.7 and call option price it would be 0.037 and 0.096. By making the appropriate calculation and ignoring the value of money in case of premium, decide what is the following alternative is preferable by what company. The forward market, B cash money market, and C currency option market. Going ahead with the solution, forward market rate, 3 months forward rate it would be 1.5455 and 1.5599. GBP by USD dollars it would be 1.5455 and 1.5609. USD slash GBP it would be ask should be 1 by bid. So the 1 by bid would be 1 divided by 1.5455 into 3,64,897, which gives you an amount of 2,36,102.9 GBP. Look the cash money market. So for cash money market, requisite it will be money market hedge is possible only if in case of difference in rate at interest for borrowing and investing. Number one, borrow sterling equivalent to money at 7% per annum for 6 months for investing, and then convert on the same date that money borrowed in sterling, that is USD at spot price would be the bid, and then the third action would be invest in USD. So the converted in dollar price it would be the deposit of 4.5% for 6 months. Number 4, realize the deposit including the interest and use the proceeds to settle the liability. Now the calculation or cash flow it would be the amount payable after 6 months would be 3,64,892. So the amount to be invested in 4.5% per annum for realizing US dollar 3,64,897 would be 3,64,897 divided by 1 plus interest rate, which is 4.5 into 6 by 12, which is equals to 3,64,897 divided by 1.0225, which gives you an amount of 3,56,867. So the amount to be borrowed would be the amount to be invested in 3,56,867 divided by 1.5617. So it would be the GBP of 2000 euro 2,28,512. Interest payable. One money borrowed at 7% per annum for 6 months would be euro 27,998, which would be 2,28,512 into 7% of 6 months, which gives you 2,28,612 plus interest of rupees 7,998, which gives you 2,36,510. Now we are going for currency option. For currency option, payment to be made in portfolio after 6 months, and it's a put option to sell pounds in relevant number of option contract. The value of one option contract equals to value per unit into exercise price. So value of one option would be 12,500 multiplied by 1.7 is the exercise price. Therefore, the total value of contract will be 21,250. The number of contract to be purchased equal to amount payable in 6 months time divided by value per contract. It will be 3,64,897 divided by 21,250, which gives you 17.17 contract. Now it is considered 17.17 contract. So we need to convert it for alternative 1 and alternative 2, which will be over here it will be 17 contract, and the next one it will be rounded up, which will be 18 contract. So for first alternative it will be 17 contract. So 17 option contracts are undertaken, the balance through forward contract. The value converted under option would be 17 contract multiplied by 21,250 per contract, which gives you 3,61,250. So the value under forward contract, which equals the amount payable after 6 months, minus value under option contract, which will be 3,64,897 minus 3,61,250, which gives you a difference of $3,647. Now the cash flow under this option would be value of the future contract. This 3,647 divided by 1.5455, which is the future contract price. So which will give you 3,750. The premium payable would be 0.096 into 17 contract into 12,500 units per contract, that equal to 20,400, should be divided by 1.5617, that is 4 bid price, which gives you 13,063. Now the value of 17 option contract will be 17 into 12,500, 2,12,500. Therefore the total outflow for under option contract will be 2,27,923. Now alternative 2, which is, for here we have computed at 17 contract. Now here we have 18 contract. So when it is converted to 18 contract, it will be 18 contract are undertaken and the excess dollar are to be sold in forward market. So the value covered under option contract will be 18 into 21,500, which gives you 3,82,500. The value sold under the forward contract will be the amount payable after 6 months minus value under option contract. This 3,64,897 minus 3,82,500, which gives you 17,603 as the contract. So such amount can be sold. So the cash flow under this option will be value of forward contract, which will be 17,063 divided by 1.5609. 11,277. So the premium payable would be 0.096 into 18 into 12,500. That equals 21,600 divided by 1.5617, which is spot bid, right? It gives you 13,831. Now the value of the 18 option contract would be 18 into 12,500, which is 2,25,000. Therefore, the total outflow would be, when we add these three amounts, it would be 2,27,554. Conclusion: the cash flow under the option is the lowest, and hence it may be considered. So when we check these three alternatives, we can find that the best option would be over here, 2,27,554 would be. When we check over here, it would be 2,36,500, and over here it would be 2,36,102. So the final decision, it would be like going ahead with the future option of this alternative, which will be 18 contract. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.